It's another beautiful day and another opportunity to have a wonderful week. So guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys one more time, all the time, for stopping to make this your channel, your platform to get your property tours and your updates. So guys, I'm very excited today for two reasons again, all right? So first reason is that we now have uploaded our first vlog on our brand new channel, and just in case you don't catch it as yet, here is a quick clip from that video.
Easy. Yeah.
So all you guys have to do is to just click the link in our description to watch the full video on our channel. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like, and remember to leave your comments. And guys, we're here today because we had the opportunity to stop at Aqueduct of Vineyards, and we decided to give you guys another update on that property. Alright, since the last time that we went there were units available. Second good news of the day, or probably this is the third, but good news on top of good news. Guys, they still have 5 units available for sale. The price is still $27.2 million. So now we have 5 more persons that have the opportunity to grab one of these smart homes. You can get a property that is already equipped with some smart features. So you don't have to worry about putting smart locks on the door because you already get that. You get the security camera, you get your panels. Guys, just run in. Let's get these 5 houses off their hands in record time, okay? You can just tell them, say, you talk to Chris, and Chris gave us some good advice. And the money not sound too bad either for what you're getting. And speaking about what you're getting, guys, we still haven't gotten the opportunity to fully tour the property and to give you an in-house tour. But don't worry about it. It's been worked on, and as soon as the unit is available, then we will definitely give that to you. So as always, we prepared a drone shot for you guys. I know you guys enjoy these overhead views as they are beautiful and they are stunning. So we're going to jump into that right now. But remember, Aqueduct of Vineyards, 5 units available at the price point of $27.2 million. So guys, remember to leave a like on this video. Remember to comment. Remember to share out the videos. If you are not getting your notifications, just turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss when we drop the updates. So hear what? We catch you on the other side of this drone shot. enjoyed that shot as always. But guys, driving on the highway to this development, it was noticed that a lot of trees were broken down. I see houses where the roofs were gone as a result of the passing hurricane last week. So this is Hurricane Beryl. But what stood out is the fact that every unit has its own water tank still sitting on top. Right? I can't tell you that the tanks are full. I'm assuming they are. But the property is still intact. As you would have seen from the drone shot, there's no visible damage to this property whatsoever. Alright? So you know that you're buying into a safe development. I'm still talking about Beryl because the surrounding areas, a lot of damages have taken place. So it is important that I point this out to you guys. So here what? If you are still interested, the contact information for the developers are in the description. Reach out to them. One of these 5 units left. Guys, the last time we were here was about 8 or 9. Now there's only 5. So 5 persons now still have the opportunity to grab a smart home right here in Jamaica, in St. Catherine. You know which part Aqueduct they kind of cool and nice. I'm not telling a lie. So here what? Buy into this development. I'll definitely give you that in-house property tour once the unit is available. And I'm getting good updates from them. So guess what? When the time is right, you will get them. So guys, thank you so much for making it ChriSamz one more time for your property tours and updates. Remember ChriSamz family vlog. You don't want to miss what's happening on the other side of our lives, separate and apart from these drone shots and property tours. So here what? Let's make this a big family. Subscribe to both channels, like both channels, like this video, leave your comments, and here what? The journey continues with ChriSamz. So peace out, guys. Remember to have a blessed week. Remember to stay happy, stay focused, and achieve your goal. Big up on yourself, alright?